Good morning, everybody. It is work day. I have a lot of stuff I have to do for work today, purely because last week I didn't do any of it. After I came out from Pittsburgh, I was just so tired and drained, so I was really just like procrastinating, and now it is Monday and I have to do it all. Have my coffee. So yeah. I have a meeting at 1 o'clock. It is almost 12:15, so I'm going to cook some lunch because I am literally starving. Trader Joe's makes really good meatballs, but I just like to stick in my spaghetti. Did I already say that we're making spaghetti today? We're making spaghetti and meatballs.
I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed.
I don't want to hear anything about my cutting. I don't want to hear it. I know, I'm not good.
Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive.
As for pasta sauce, we're doing Rao's.
Please ignore my restless face, cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over soon. In case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over soon.
I can just cut it in half. Doesn't matter anyway. Like this. Okay. This is so big. 안 잘라지는데? Yummy! So one of the things that I bought during Black Friday was this juicer, citrus juicer. And yes, it might be kind of ridiculous that I got a citrus juicer, but I'm allergic to all the other fruits, and the only fruits I can really eat are citrus and berries. So to me, it was a very good and smart purchase. Okay, I'm gonna just go for it. What do you mean? I was like, why is anything coming out? It looks kind of weird. Wow, one grapefruit is 1 cup of juice.
Nice. Well, I was gonna say we should put in like the APG thing so that we can make shit and stuff.
Oh, the one up there? Just rinse it real quick. Okay, I'm gonna pour it all. I mean, I got all of it. It's so fast. How many was that? How many oranges? 3? That was 3 cups. I mean, 1 cup. Wow, all of that for just 1 cup. And then we need all of that. All 1 whole cup of oranges.
You can make it however you want.
Okay, we are going to taste test the juice. I used to drink this juice quite often, like I feel like at least a couple times per week. It is like a lot like slushier because the lemon juice was already iced because I already had some lemon juice. But I did buy extra lemons, so maybe later when I make this again, it'll be different. I don't know. It's good. It's not the same way that I remember. I feel like the ratios are off. I think we could have added more lemon, but no added sugar. It's literally just the juice of those 3 citruses, and then what is it? Ginger. I feel like normally there's more ginger, and I feel like normally there's more lemon juice. So I have a ton of ricotta that I just need to get rid of, and I decided that I wanted to make a ricotta lemon cake with my leftover ricotta. So I can just get rid of it, get a little dessert out of it. Why not? 3/4 cup of sugar. Cream together the butter and sugar until combined. Okay. What, do you think you can help me? Can you cream this? Okay, 7.5 ounces of ricotta. Light and fluffy for 4 to 5 minutes, babe. Can you make this until it's light and fluffy? Wait, stop for a second. You think I could fit all 4 of these? I need all 4. Hey Google, will put a timer on for 30 minutes. So they are out of the oven and cool. I do still have to powder them with sugar. Luckily, I have this from IKEA. It's actually for tea, but online they also kind of used it for powdered sugar. So I'm gonna use it to dust the powdered sugar. I wonder if there's an easier way to go about this. Wow. Doesn't look that bad. Pretty good. Crispy on the outside. I do feel like it's a little. It's missing something. So that pretty much concludes today. I know there wasn't much going on. I was doing a lot of work. So yeah, I mean, I did get to bake, which is very not the usual, but I'm happy that I did. Definitely they can do better next time. And definitely want to add some sort of like strawberry or blueberry. There was a ricotta cake with almonds, and I think that would also be very good. So maybe next time if I buy too much ricotta. But I hope you guys had a great day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.